Hey everyone, Lewis here again. Welcome back to my channel. So in this video, I'm going to show you guys how to do storefront stalking for your Amazon FBA business. But before we start, I do want to invite you guys to join my free VIP Amazon group. I'm going to post the link below in my description. And that way you guys can join my group, attend my live trainings every week for free, and also network with other Amazon sellers. So yeah, with that being said, this is how you look for products doing the reverse search method for your Amazon business, right? So you start with picking a random Amazon product like this one, and then assuming that you use Seller Amp, you would use Seller Amp, right? Go to the bottom of Seller Amp, and then under offers, I would look at other FBA sellers. So for instance, this one has 18 FBA sellers, right? Right there. So I would pick a seller with, I want to say like 100 ratings or less. So for example, this guy's 46, this guy has none, this guy has 27. So yeah, I'm gonna pick this one for example. So I would open up your store. And then I would pick products from the seller's store, right? So I see some Nikes. I would start with these Nike products. So what I would do is I would open up the Amazon product page and Google page of this product right here. And then under Google, I would click on Google Shopping right there. And then I would literally look for the exact same product, right? So this one is a Nike Men's Air Max 2017. And I usually like to look at the max cost because it kind of makes it easier for me to do product research because there's many products out there, right? That looks all the same. So I usually look for the exact same product that are priced at $97.50 or less. So again, I go back to here, and then I'll just keep looking. So let's see. Is that it? This one is not it. This one looks like it. I'm not sure. And then I'll just keep going. So this one is all black. Nike Air Max 2017. Okay. So this one is an Air Max. Okay. I think this is it. Is it 2017? Yeah, I think this is it. Let's see. No, I don't think so. Air Max AP. Oh, okay. Yeah, this is not it. They just look very similar because it's both Air Max. So I would skip that one and keep it moving. So, I mean, this one I think is it, except that it's a lot more expensive. Remember, like, our max cost is only $92, right? So this one's 142. So I would skip that one. And yeah, I don't think it's going to be here. This one's 129. It's also gray. Yeah, those are some nice shoes though. Okay, next one. So it's another Nike product. So again, open up the Amazon listing and Google Shopping. Okay, so Nike women trail running shoes. So max cost is, wait a second, $4? Oh, $47. I'm sorry. Is that it? Doesn't seem like it. No, it's not it. Nike women's trail running shoes. Okay. Is that it? Let's open this up. Um, 2018. I don't think it's the same. Oh, this is very close. I don't think it's the same because of the design right there. But man, it's really close. Oh, but their price don't even match. So never mind. So I'll keep it moving. So back to shopping. Yeah, I don't think it's here. So I'll just skip it, save on time. Let's see, let's pick another product that's not Nike. These are a bunch of Nikes though. So okay, let's see. Yeah, this seller sells a lot of Nikes. So if you guys are not feeling the products, you guys can pick another seller, right? So I would go back to this original listing and I would pick another seller. So this one, let's try this one. So this seller is also selling a lot of Nikes, it seems. So yeah, it's fine. Let's try this one, the socks. Okay, so everyday cushion training crew socks. Okay, so again, go to Google Shopping. It's that one. This one is a 6-piece, I think. Okay. Yeah, this one is 6-piece. This one is, let's see this one. I mean, that could be it. But the price of this one is $24 though, right? 24 bucks. So max cost is only $9. Yeah, I don't think it's here because usually these sellers like to go get Nikes that are on sale. So I don't think we can find the source right now. But I hope you guys got the point of it though. So again, if you guys want to do storefront stalking, you guys go to a random Amazon listing like this, and then go to Seller Amp, look for other sellers, pick the ones that have 100 or less ratings, like this guy. Go to the store, and then reverse search every single product that you like on the store. And again, I hope you guys have that from this. And please don't forget to join my free VIP Amazon group. I'm going to put the link in my description below. And also, please subscribe to my channel if you guys get value from this trainings. And I'll see you guys on the next one. Bye-bye.